Welcome to the course Hello Real World with ROS, a course where you will learn how to work with the open source framework ROS to build and program intelligent robot systems. The purpose of this video is to give you an overview of the course. We will first review your point of departure. Then, we will tell you what we expect from you during this course. Next, we will look at the end result of the course. And finally, we will see how you can reach that end result. Since you are here, we expect that you already know something about the ROS community. You know that this is being stewarded by the Open Robotics Foundation, that the framework already exists for over 10 years, and that this is really a worldwide community, covering all major robotic research labs and a rapidly growing number of industrial contributors. Finally, we expect that you already know that you can find a lot of help in the ROS Answers forum. In addition, we assume that you have available a computer with an Ubuntu installation. You will need it to follow the lectures and to work on all the assignments. We have prepared a setup using Singularity Container to provide a standardized ROS installation. You can find all the details about this in our week 0 instructions. Here's what you need to get the most of this course. You don't need much prior knowledge, just some basic concepts of linear algebra and some basic Python program skills. You can also learn these skills during the course. Also, we expect an active participation on the course forum. It will be the main point of contact with the instructors. Please check the behavior guidelines on our courseware webpage. Given these prerequisites, you can expect the following end result. After this course, you will be able to work with a simulated factory environment that we have modified from our open source collaborators at Southwest Research Institute. The factory includes a conveyor belt, 2 industrial robot arms, and a mobile robot. And you will be able to program a complex behavior that integrates all the intelligent robotic systems within this factory environment. Finally, after having sharpened your ROS skills with this course, you are supposed to contribute back to the fantastic ROS community. For example, by developing new robot capabilities, maintaining repositories with ROS components, and by helping others by answering their online questions through the ROS Answers forum. Now, to give these robots intelligent behaviors, we have developed a 6-week course program. In week 1, you will learn the ROS basics, such as how to make one software component talk to another. In week 2, you will learn to build your own robot simulation environment by adding and modifying the shapes and locations of the objects in the scene. Then, in week 3, you will learn how to use the ROS software components for robot navigation, and your simulated robot will make its own map and use it to navigate around. Week 4 will bring us to robot manipulation, where you will learn how to let the robot arm plan a motion without collisions. Obviously, both navigation and manipulation require that the robot can see its environment, and this will be addressed in week 5. Now, finally, in week 6, you will make a final project where everything comes together, and you will learn how to use the state machines to program intelligent robot behaviors. So, are you ready to say hello to the real world with ROS? Then you are invited to give this course all you've got. Let's get started.